very good morning to one and all present here. We have gathered here with the spirit of unity and integrity. I, Advik, and I, Vidyan, welcome you all to this long-awaited annual gathering for the academic year 2023-24. The light represents brightness, the brightness that removes darkness of ignorance. The light also symbolizes abundance, prosperity, and knowledge. The lighting of a lamp symbolizes bowing down to knowledge. Let us spread the Almighty's grace and divine energy in the surrounding by lighting the lamp. I request our honorable chief guest, Principal Mr. Devendra Kumar, the headmistress of the primary section, Ms. Neeta Grover, the headmistress of the secondary section, Ms. Reema Bhattacharjee, and coordinators, Ms. Ritu Saxena and Ms. Maya Ghale, to grace the occasion by lighting the lamp.
समानी व आकुति समाना हृदयानि समान मस्तु वो मनो यथा सुसाहसिति. Meaning, united be our purpose, harmonious be our feelings, collected be our mind, in the same way as all the aspects of this universe exist in togetherness.
May we be united and cherish all the valuable presents given by you, my Lord. With these sentiments in mind, let us invoke the God's blessings as our students perform classical dance on Sri Halistot.
जगज्जालपालं खजत्कण्ठमालं शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकालं नभो नीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मासहायं भजेऽहं सदाम्बोधिवासं गलत्पुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं शतादित्यभासं गदाचक्रशस्त्रं लसत्पीतवस्त्रं हसच्चारुवक्त्रं भजेऽहं रमाकण्ठहारं श्रुतिव्रातसारं जनान्तर्विहारं धराभारहारं चिदानन्दरूपं मनोव्यस्वरूपं धृतानेकरूपं भजेऽहं जराजन्महीनं परानन्दपीनं समाधानलीनं सदैवानदीनं जगज्जन्महेतुं सुरानीककेतुं त्रिलोकैकसेतुं भजेऽहं कृताम्नायगानं खगाधीशयानं विमुक्तेर्निदानं हरारातिमानं स्वभक्तानुकूलं जगद्वृक्षमूलं निरस्तार्थशूलं भजेऽहं समस्तामरेशं द्विरेवाभकेशं जगद्बिम्बलेशं हृदाकाशदेशं सदा दिव्यदेहं विमुक्ताखिलेहं सुवैकुण्ठगेहं भजेऽहं सुरालीबलिष्ठं त्रिलोकीवरिष्ठं गुरूणां गरिष्ठं स्वरूपैकनिष्ठं सदा युद्धधीरं महावीरधीरं भवाम्बोधिधीरं भजेऽहं रमावामभागं तलानग्ननागं कृताधीनयागं गतारागरागं मुनीन्द्रैः सुवीतं सुरैः सम्परीतं गुणौघैरतीतं भजेऽहं
Thank you, friends, for the marvelous performance. What was that? Was it to call me?
Yes, have you ever imagined life without a language. This was how people from the prehistoric age communicated when there was no language.
They used various sounds and facial expressions to communicate with each other. In the Neolithic era, pictographic code language was practiced and different languages were introduced.
From code languages, now we have evolved to over 1600 languages, which are thought to be spoken in our country.
Over 1600 languages. Astonishing. Is there any other country in the world which matches India for its linguistic diversity?
India has only 23 official languages, but many dialects and a lingua franca.
Lingua franca? Now what's that?
It is a common language between communication with groups of people who speak in different languages. Do you know Sanskrit historically served as a lingua franca throughout the country? Want to know how? Let me show you.
Yes.
यात्रकारुवे श्रद्धेक्य प्लॅटफॉर्म नंबर उन्नीना उन्ने पूजम रंदे पूजम मुने एर्नाकुलम लिंग्वाविस्टा एक्सप्रेस अल्पसमयतनुद पेरुनर आन ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ವೈ ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಎಡ್ಡಿ ಚೇರುನರ ಆನ यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें ट्रेन नंबर 10203 एर्नाकुलम लिंग्वा विस्टा एक्सप्रेस अपने निर्धारित समय पर प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 1 से जाने वाली है। यह गाड़ी महाराष्ट्र से होते हुए गुजरात तक जाएगी।
Passengers are requested to board train number 10203 Ernakulam Lingua Vista Express from platform number 1 will be leaving shortly. The train will travel to Maharashtra and reach Gujarat. रिझर्वेशन आहे।
चलो यार अब सो जाते हैं घर के मीठे सपनों को देखकर।
नमुड़ा सीट आना, ये अपना सीट है।
अया देखो, they have kept their luggage। अब हम हमारा बैग कहाँ रखेंगे?
Wait, give us a minute. आलो कनो, पेटन बागो बच्चा, वेरदे प्रश्न मागुम। Do not make it an issue now. अब किधर जाते?
We work for Naval Base at Kochi. We are going to Aram town in Gujarat.
Sir, evade pogono. At which station will you get down?
ഞങ്ങളുടെ മക്കൾക്കൊപ്പം ഓണം ആഘോഷിക്കാൻ മുംബൈയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു.
Yes, we are
Mumbai to celebrate Onam with our children.
Malayalam is very tough to speak. The words are so difficult to pronounce.
They are really like tongue twisters.
Everything seems to go round and round. कुछ समजता ही नहीं.
अगदी बरोबर.
खरं की कडक 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 कडक. हा हा हा. Kerala is a home to several different languages too, with Malayalam serving as the official language. However, there are also major spoken languages like Tamil, Tulu, Kannada, Gujarati, Marathi, Konkani, etc. in the cosmopolitan cities like Cochin, Calicut and Trivandrum.
Edutachan is considered the father of the Malayalam language. It is considered as the toughest language with complex spoken and written grammar.
मैंने हमारे मेस में ओणम सद्या टेस्ट की है. वाह, बढ़िया खाना था, मजा आ गया.
What I like the most is paisam, and that too. One is made of milk and one with jaggery. Paisam. Onam is a festival that is celebrated by all Malayalis without any discrimination of caste or religion. Oh yes, the festival which mentions the fifth avatar of Lord Vishnu, the Vamana and the great King Mahabali,
In which the generous King Mahabali grants him a boon of 3 pieces of land.
Yes, absolutely correct.
Am I the only one who doesn't know story of King Mahabali?
Never mind, we will tell you the story.
മാവേലി നാടു വാണിടും കാലം മനുഷ്യരെല്ലാരും ഒന്നുപോലെ ആമോദത്തോടെ വസിക്കും കാലം ആപത്തങ്ങാർക്കും ഒത്തില്ലതാനും.
The revisit of King Mahabali marks the grand celebration of the festival of Onam. festival of Kerala. The farmers toil hard to gather a good harvest of rice. Come, now let us watch the Nadudi dance of Kerala.
Nane nane tananine, tane nane tananine, tani tane nane tananine. Tane nane tananine, tani tane nane tananine. Tane nane tananine, tani tane nane tananine. Viterinche viterinche chamiloga logo viterinche 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 chamiloga logo viterinche 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 chamiloga logo viterinche 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 chamiloga logo viterinche. Tane nane tananine, tani tane nane tananine. Tane nane tananine, tani tane nane tananine. Tane nane tananine, tani tane nane tananine. Tane nane tananine, tani tane.
Let us now enjoy the Thiruvathira Kali, that is a unique group dance of women in Kerala. They perform this art form in front of their house by singing the praises of Shiva and Parvati in a circle around a lit lamp to the beat of the song, clapping each other's hands and showing subtle body movements.
പങ്കജാക്ഷൻ കടൽ വർണ്ണൻ വാസുദേവൻ ജഗന്നാഥൻ നാരദാദി മുനി ജനവന്ദിതൻ കൃഷ്ണൻ.
പങ്കജാക്ഷൻ കടൽ വർണ്ണൻ വാസുദേവൻ ജഗന്നാഥൻ നാരദാദി മുനി ജന വന്ദിതൻ കൃഷ്ണൻ.
ഭാര്യമാരും 16,000 ഒരുമിച്ചു സാന്ദ്രമോതും ദ്വാരകയിൽ വസിക്കും കാലം.
ഭാര്യമാരും 16,000 ഒരുമിച്ചു സാന്ദ്രമോതും ദ്വാരകയിൽ വസിക്കും കാലം. പൂമുടിക്കെട്ടഴികയും പുഷ്പജാലം കൊഴികയും മുല്ലമാല കെട്ടഴിഞ്ഞു നിലത്തു വീണു.
Now let us see the Kolkali, that is a folk art performed in Malabar region of Kerala in India. The dance performers move in a circle, striking small sticks and keeping rhythm with special steps. The circle expands and contracts as the dance progresses.
ആദി ബിസ്മി ഹംദു മോദി കളി തുടരാം പെരിയ കോനെ ആദരവുകളാദ്യം ചൊല്ലി കളി തുടങ്ങാം യാ പുരാനേ. ആദി ബിസ്മി ഹംദു മോദി കളി തുടരാം പെരിയ കോനെ ആദരവുകളാദ്യം ചൊല്ലി കളി തുടങ്ങാം യാ പുരാനേ. കാക്കേണം നീ കളിയിൽ പിഴവുകൾ പറ്റാതെ എൻ തമ്പുരാനെ കരുണാമയനിൽ തുതികളോതി നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ കൃപ ചൊരിയേണം നീ. കാക്കേണം നീ കളിയിൽ പിഴവുകൾ പറ്റാതെ എൻ തമ്പുരാനെ കരുണാമയനിൽ സ്തുതികളോതി നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ കൃപ ചൊരിയേണം നീ. ആദി ബിസ്മി ഹംദു മോദി കളി തുടരാം പെരിയ പോലെ ആദരവുകളാദ്യം ചൊല്ലി കളി തുടങ്ങാം യാ പുരാനേ. നാറുന്ന ദുനിയാവിൽ നറുമണം വിതറട്ടെ ജയിക്കട്ടെ ദുനിയാവിൽ മനുഷ്യത്വം കോടി നാട്ടി സമുദായ സമാധാനം സമതത്വം പുലരട്ടെ തെളിയട്ടെ വീണത്തൂകൾ താമസിന്റെ താല വെട്ടി ഗതികെട്ട മനുഷ്യന്റെ മനസ്സുകൾ ഉണരട്ടെ.
Valamkali are the board game, also known as snake boat race, a form of canoe racing held in Kerala every year. The race has about 128 players rowing the boat and is a major event of tourist attraction. The Nehru Trophy boat race is a popular event held in Purnamada Lake near Alapi in Kerala. Now let us enjoy the event along with the grace and beauty of Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam. Arbor! Arbor! Arbor!
കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ ദിത്തേ ദഗദേതേതോ കൊച്ചുവെണ്ണി കുയിലാളി ദിത്തി താരാരേരേ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓ ദിത്തി താരാ ദിത്തേ ദിത്തേ ദഗദേതേതോ 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 ദിത്തി താരാ
Elaborate feasts known as Sadhya, folk songs, elegant dances, energetic games, elephants, boat race, and concentric floral decorations or Attapookalam are all part of this dynamic festival. Malayalis make all the efforts to celebrate the festival in a grand way and impress their beloved King Mahabali to wish him well.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാൽ ചൊല്ല് ഇലയിട്ടു വിളമ്പുന്ന രുചികളിൽ വിടരുന്നു നിറമയറൂണിന്റെ സന്തോഷം പൂങ്കോടി കസവിട്ട് ഊഞ്ഞാലിലാടുമ്പോൾ നിലവോരമുണരുന്നു സംഗീതം
സംഗീതം
The Onam procession, marking the end of 10 days long Onam festivities in the state, celebrates the rich cultural diversity of Kerala. A sea of people gathered here to watch this colorful and beautiful procession. Popularity and presentation of rich culture of the state during the festival made Onam the official state festival of Kerala in 1961. Come, let us watch the grand Onam procession from Kerala. प्रवाशांनो कृपया लक्ष द्या. गाडी संख्या 102003 केरळहून गुजरातला महाराष्ट्र मार्गे जाणारी लिंगवा विस्टा एक्सप्रेस फलाट क्रमांक 2 वर येणार आहे. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दे. गाड़ी संख्या 102003 महाराष्ट्र से होकर केरल से गुजरात जाने वाली लिंगवा विस्टा एक्सप्रेस थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2 पर आएगी. May I have your attention please? Train number 10203 Lingua Vista Express traveling from Kerala to Gujarat via Maharashtra is arriving shortly on platform number 2. शेंगा चटणी घ्या, शेंगा चटणी, चटकदार चटणी, शेंगा चटणी घ्या. सोलापूरची फेमस चटकदार चटणी, शेंगा चटणी घ्या, शेंगा चटणी. आरचे, गाडी आली बघ. माऊली घाई करू नका, सर्वांना जागा मिळेल. Sit here, Granny, sit here. Thank you, uncle.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳು. ಹೋಗು ಸರಿ ಕುಡ್ರಿ. अभी हू की तिकडे मला बासत हाय. ए चाय वाला इकडे ये.
गरम भाजी गरम भाजी गरम भाजी.
आमचे अगं काय करालीस? बस की गुमानं, इथंच भाजी करून विकणार नाहीस वय? भाजी विकायला नेताय वाटतं. वय जी, मुलगी चणचणीत आहे बरं.
सारा की तिकडे टिकू दे की जरा.
What टेकू? काय टेकू? आता काय सांगायचं?
दादा दादा बघ सैनिक, आई मला छोटीशी बंदूक दे ना, बंदूक घेईल शिपाई होईल. आई तिथं जाईल 1 2 3.
मरण जरी आले तरी चालेल, पण शरण जाणार नाही.
जय भवानी
जय शिवाजी. हो हो, बसा आता. हो हो, बसा आता. गर्दी आहे, धक्का लागेल. कुठे निघालात? घ्या ना बाकरवडी.
भाकरवडी.
भ नाही ब, बाकरवडी.
पुण्याचे आहे का?
हो, पुण्याला जातोय. नातीची मंगळागौर आहे ना? मंगळागौर? काय? मंगळागौर? ओ गॉड.
मराठी समजत नाही, इंग्रजीत सांगू.
ए
अहो मराठी समजत नसेल ना, म्हणून इंग्रजीत सांगू का असं.
I know a little Marathi. Now that I heard more about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, I'm amazed how he instilled his ideals and chivalry in you. आहेच आमचा महाराष्ट्र असा, अभिमान वाटावा, जीव ओतावा, डोक्यावर घेऊन मिरवावा असा. ही माती, या मातीतले थोर संत, विचारवंत, गुणवंत, कलावंत यांनी महाराष्ट्राला जगाच्या कानाकोपऱ्यात पोहोचवले. I like the way of celebration of festivals in Maharashtra. आमचे सण म्हणजे उत्सवच असतात. हे सण म्हणजे केवळ रूढी परंपरा, चालीरीती नाही, तर आमच्या भावना, श्रद्धा, आमची दिनचर्या, आमच्या आस्था, आमचा इतिहास, गौरव आणि शौर्य गाथा आहेत. How would you recall the order of these numerous festivals and how you find energy for this? आमचे सण हे मराठी दक्षिकेप्रमाणे साजरे होतात. चैत्र हा पहिला महिना आणि गुढीपाडवा पहिला सण. या सणासाठी उजा लागत नाही, तर या सणामुळे उजा निर्माण होते. ए आजी, थांब थांब. हे सांगण्याऐवजी आपण प्रत्यक्ष पाहू ना. माझ्या शाळेतल्या स्नेह संमेलनाचा व्हिडिओ दाखवतो, थांब.
उजळून आलं आभाळ रामाच्या पारी, उजळून आलं आभाळ रामाच्या पारी. अन गाव जागवत आली वासुदेवाची स्वारी, गाव जागवत आली वासुदेवाची स्वारी.
गुढीपाडव्याचा सण आता उभारा रे गुढी, नव्या वर्षाच दिन सोडा मनातली आढी. गेला साली गेली आढी, आता पाडवा पाडवा, तुम्ही येरा येरा बरी, लोभ वाढवा वाढवा. गुढीपाडव्याचा सण आता उभारा रे गुढी, नव्या वर्षाच दिन सोडा मनातली आढी.
झुंजू पाठ झाली झुंजू पाठ झाली पूर्वेला लाली आली हे पूर्वेला लाली आली हे विरविरती रानात पाखर हे जीवाचा मैतर ढवळ्यान पवळ्या शेताला घेऊन चाल र नजर डोईवरती पदर दूर गेली नजर डोईवरती पदर घरची लक्ष्मी शेताला आली बांधा बांधान तिनं दिली भाकर खाऊन दिला ढेकर तिनं दिली भाकर खाऊन दिला ढेकर गोडी न्यारी त्या चटणीला आली 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 जीवाचा मैतर ढवळ्यान पवळ्या शेताला घेऊन चाल र जीवाचा मैतर ढवळ्यान पवळ्या शेताला घेऊन चाल र
जय देवी मंगळा गौरी
वाळीन सोनिया ताटी रत्नाचे दिवे माणिकांच्या वाटी जय देवी मंगळा गौरी चल ग बाई खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया गौराईचा खेळ बाई आनंदात नाचू गाऊ मंगळा गौर खेळूया
पाणीला टाक पाणीला टाक पाणीला टाक डोंगर माथा ग डोंगर माथा ग डोंगर माथा पाणीला टाक पाणीला टाक पाणीला
तेंडा मोडगा मोरी तेंडाची लांब दोरी
भुवर भेंडी भुवरा नाचे 800 खिडक्या 900 दार पुण्या वाटेन गेली हिलार
सर सर गोविंदा येतो मजमरी गुलाल फेकीतो
या बाई ठिकाणा जाया आमच्या वेण्या घालाया एक वेणी मुकळी सोनियाची साखळी खडो खडो रे सोनारा माणिक मोत्यांचा डोलारा डोलाऱ्याला खिडक्या आम्ही दोघी बहिणी लाडक्या
नाच ग उमा
अशी मी नाचू
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 सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम रूपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
खुशी चाहूल हो दे सारे दुःख ते विसरू दे
फुलवाती अंगणात सोन सकाळी फुलवाती अंगणात सोन सकाळी सौख्य जणू भरून आले आले ओंजळी आले ओंजळी
मातीमध्ये काहीसा पुत्र झाला मराठ्यांच्या रक्ताने या भगवा इतिहास लिहिला जात धर्माचा शत्रू नव्हता तो आधार दिने त्रिवार असावा मुजरा आमचा गड किल्ल्यांच्या या श्रीमंता राजाधिराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
ही मायभूमी ही जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी अमुची महवंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची
ही मायभूमी ही जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी अमुची महवंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची
हा आमचा आहे बाणा ही अमुची आहे बोली अस्मानी झळके भव्य पताका भगव्या जरी पटक्याची
महाराष्ट्रभूमी ही जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी अमुची महवंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची
राकट देशा कणखर देशा दगडाच्या देशा
प्रणाम माझा घ्यावा हे श्री महाराष्ट्र देशा
भीमा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना भद्रा गोदावरी
एकपणाचे भरती पाणी मातीच्या घागरी
योग्यांची अन संतांची भक्तांची माळकऱ्यांची ही देवदेश अन धर्मासाठी प्राण वेचणाऱ्यांची योद्ध्यांची अन वीरांची तलवारीच्या पात्याची देशाचे रक्षण करण्यासाठी जीव खर्चणाऱ्यांची
ही भूमी सप्तसुरांची रंगांची अष्टकलांची काव्याची शास्त्र विनोदाची ही भूमी साहित्याची महाराष्ट्रभूमी ही जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी अमुची महवंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची ही माय मराठी अमुची
How amazing! You Maharashtrians are celebrating and passing on your culture to history and future generations with the same zeal. खरे आमच्या तरुण पिढीला त्यांच्या संस्कृतीचा असलेला आदर अभिमान आणि जिव्हाळा यामुळे हे सणवार आजही मोठ्या उत्साहात साजरे होतात. ही पुढची पिढी सुद्धा हे संस्कार पुढे घेऊन जाईल हे नक्की. Thank you for this enduring and vibrant culture. Nice meeting to you all. पुणे शहरात सर्व प्रवाशांचे हार्दिक स्वागत. पुणे शहर में सभी यात्रियों का स्वागत है. Welcome to Pune. प्रवाशांनो कृपया लक्ष द्या. गाडी संख्या 1023
2003 केरळहून गुजरातला महाराष्ट्र मार्गे जाणारी लिंगवा विस्टा एक्सप्रेस फलाट क्रमांक 2 वर आली आहे. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दे. गाड़ी संख्या 102003 महाराष्ट्र से होकर केरल से गुजरात जाने वाली लिंगवा विस्टा एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2 पर आई है. May I have your attention please? Train number 10203 Lingua Vista Express traveling from Kerala to Gujarat via Maharashtra is arriving shortly on platform number 2. तुमच्यासोबत गप्पा मारण्यात वेळ कसा गेला कळलेच नाही. चला आमचे स्टेशन आले. बाय बाय.
कृपया ध्यान आपो. ट्रेन नंबर 1023 केरळ से शुरू थती महाराष्ट्र થઈને આવતી લિંગવા વિસ્ટા અમદાવાદમાં ટૂંક સમયમાં પ્લેટફોર્મ નંબર 3 પર આવવાની તૈયારીમાં છે. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
May I have your attention please? Train number 10203 from Kerala via Maharashtra to Ahmedabad Lingua Vista is arriving shortly on platform number 3. Thank you.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें. ट्रेन नंबर 1023 केरल से महाराष्ट्र होती हुई गुजरात की ओर आने वाली गाड़ी लिंगवा विस्टा थोड़ी देर में अहमदाबाद के प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 पर आने की संभावना है. धन्यवाद. वाह भाई, તમે પણ ગાડી છો?
हाँ मोटा भाई, नवरात्रि कौन मिस करे. My duty is over. This was the last announcement that I had to make.
This train has witnessed Kerala की greenery and Maharashtra की शान, and now it is arriving in Gujarat for our Navratri celebrations. वाह वाह, क्या बात है. अनाउंसमेंट तो हो ही गई है, बस मजा आना बाकी है. I am also going for the Navratri celebrations.
Let's welcome this train to Rangilo, Gujarat.
हाँ हाँ, why wait? हाँ चलो.
This boy, he keeps on playing mobile games. What should I do? Where are others?
Hello, train has already arrived and it will wait for only 15 minutes. Hurry up all. Arey Daya, Jota, did we take all luggage?
हस्तू वाली तो पुन्हा पप्पा फाफड़ा ढोकला थेपला कमन બધું જ લઈ લીધું.
Arey Daya, I'm not asking about food items. This Dayana, she will always think about food items.
जेठाव मोटा
बाबूजी.
Where is my bag and whose is this? Let everyone carry their own luggage.
हाँ बाबूजी, साची बात छे. Come on or carry your luggage. अरे सोनू मोनू, where are you running? Stay together. Pinku, Tappu, Goli, come to me.
हेलो ट्रेन આવી ગઈ. Let's get ready. सब बच्चों अपना ध्यान रखो and also of your luggage. Don't forget anything here in excitement to go to Mama's house.
घर के एटले दिये पड़े एटले
મામાનું ઘર કેટલે દીવો બળે એટલે.
અરે અરે ટ્રેન આવી ગઈ, ચલો બધા ચડી જાઓ. બધા સામાન લઈ લો, કઈ ભૂલ ના જાતા. ચલો હવે છોકરાઓ. Hello, hello. I can't hear you. There is lot of noise. Wait, wait.
हे माँ, माता जी तो पुनः बाबा क्या हारे आ गया.
दया, दया. બચાવી લેતો તે મને દયા.
Good, you save him. But બધા છોકરાઓ આવી ગયા ઈ તો જોઈ લ્યો.
Wait, wait. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. चलो छोकराओ, हमारे पास से आओ बधा. Your seats are here and I have some chef mamra for you all. Eat and sleep. Oh my God! Let me help you, bachcha party. You're so energetic at this time too. It is so nice to see such a big family and everyone traveling together. It will be fun. કેમ છો તમે લોકો? We are Gada family. He is બાપુજી, જેઠાભાઈ, દયા ભાભી, છોકરાઓ and અમે બધા. Namaste. He is Mr. Kit with his wife and I am an Indian soldier going to meet my family.
It is wonderful to see so many energetic and young people. Though I have traveled with children from south to west, you all are so colorful. After seeing you all buzzing with energy, I too miss my family back home.
સરસ, ચલો હવે સુઈ જાઓ બધા. Tomorrow we will have more fun.
हरली बंधावी दऊं, श्रीजी तारा नामनी. हरली बंधावी दऊं, श्रीजी तारा नामनी.
अरे कितना सोएंगे लोग. चलो उठो, सुबह हो गई. कोई अलार्म नहीं बजने वाला. ये भी मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा. मम्मी, खाने में क्या है? बहुत भूख लगी है. मेथीना थेपला, चुंदो, बटाकाने सुकी भाजी, फाफड़ा, जलेबी, उंदियो is all I have. Let's share all food items, Dhaya beta. Give some to our co-passengers also. Pass it here. I will give it. Come, please have something from this. चलो चलो, બધા મળીને નાસ્તો કરીએ. બસ, we are waiting for the tea now. Oh yes, you must try some dokla, fafda and undia. They are the pride of Gujarat. See, here is the tea seller.
केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ल्या गरबा, केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रेलो. केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ल्या गरबा, केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रेलो.
चाय गरम, बनाने वाला उससे भी गरम. और चाय वाला भैया, please give us some tea. Oh my goodness, You started playing dandiya right away.
Oh yes, I am getting ready for Navratri.
Oh, hello.
केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ले गरबा केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो
Oh my, that is a hilarious dance form. And what are the sticks you have in your hands?
That is my favorite dance form. We use this during Navratri and we call it dandiya.
That sounds good. How do you use it? Can you please show us the steps, Nani Ben?
Of course, in some parts of Gujarat, we celebrate Navratri for 9 days. We celebrate it to please the goddess with these dance forms called Dandiyaras.
One of my friend is Gujarati and I have heard that there are other dance forms like Ras Leela, Hench, Teen Tali, Dakla and many more. Is it true?
हाँ, साची बात छे. नवरात्રના 9 ગરબા.
Hey, hello, Goli, let's come. We will show you the dance and teach you the steps too.
केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ले गरबा केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ले गरबा केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो
Now, let me take you through Saurashtra, where we can see a beautiful blend of rich culture and literature.
That was a mesmerizing experience, Dayaben.
What a vibrant dress they're wearing. The colors are so lively and beautiful. What are the dresses called and why are they wearing them?
This is our traditional attire, vibrant and full of life. आने चन्या चोली के बाद, we wear it specially during Navratri. पूरा नवरात्र ने पहने छे. It is a 9-night festival dedicated to Goddess Durga.
That sounds amazing. What the significance of the festival you're talking about?
Navratri?
Who samjhao? It is a festival full of spirit, during which we perform Garba and Dandiya dance all night. But this dance has various forms all over Gujarat.
We also fast during these 9 days. It is not just about abstaining from food, but a way to purify our minds and body.
Oh, so Navratri holds lot of culture and spiritual significance. Yes, during Navratri, everyone comes together with dance, music, and celebration. It is a sight to behold.
Oh, Keith Beta, each day has its own color theme. People decorate their houses and even the venues for the dance event.
It is so fascinating how your culture incorporates spiritual beliefs into festivity. In central regions of Saurashtra, the Garba form is known as Dakla, where they try to calm the goddess.
Dakla is Gujarati folk with a very captivating beats, urging one up to get up and dance enthusiastically, lose oneself in the beautiful rhythm of Dakla Dharmu that is played in the temples of Gujarat.
Oh beta, speaking about Gujarat culture, see, I am reading a famous book of a famous Gujarati novelist. Jijaji, which book are you reading? Can you tell us something about the author?
I would also like to learn more about it.
Tapu beta, this book is written by Gujarat Kanyalal Munshi. The name of this book is Gujarat Nonath. It basically tells us the story about Patan Siddharaj Jai Singh. It is so wonderful to see how deeply literature is valued in your culture.
hello गोलू, हमें दाखला ना स्टेप्स बतावे.
હા તાપુ ભૈયા હું પણ તૈયાર છું. Let's dance to the tune of the drum beat.
Hello bada, let's join the children.
It was such a fun to see them dancing with the energy.
અખિલ બ્રહ્માંડ ભાંડોદરી સકલ વિશ્વની જનતામાં ભગવતીનું આગમન થાય ત્યારે બાપ આપ ખડડે વસુંધરાની કાંકરીએ કાંકરીઓ જેના આગમનની વાટ જોતું હોય એવે ટાણ કહેવાય છે કે ધ્રિજમાંગ ધ્રિજાંગ ધ્રિજમાંગ ધ્રિજાંગ ધ્રિજમાંગ ધ્રિજાંગ કરતા ડાકલાના તાલે હેમા હે જગદંબા અમે તારા ભગત જનું તારું આહવાન કરી છે માં ખમા માડી ખમા.
form which is being performed to please the goddess.
I love the enthusiasm showed by our cute dancers.
अरे बस हवी, how much will you jump? थोड़ी वार अंताक्षरी रमिया.
दया भाभी जो पहली ई તમારા જેવી સાડી પહેરી છે.
कौन? क्या? बताओ.
જો પહેલા પ્લેટફોર્મ ઉપર જનાઈને કેટલા સરસ તૈયાર થયા છે. બચાવ શોચુ મ્યુસો.
अरे वाह मासीने पण गुजराती आवडे गई. Oh yes, it is an expressive language. So che.
Speaking of Gujarati, do you know its state has a rich linguistic diversity?
Is it? Can you please tell me more about it?
Gujarati is the primary language spoken in Gujarat, but there are many languages like Kutchi, Marathi, and even Hindi due to its proximity. Kate Beta, Gujarati language is vibrant like its culture. Not only this, there are some tribal languages that are also spoken in Gujarat.
Can you please tell me about any such language?
Yes, even I would like to know about the Kutchi language. I have heard so much about the Run of Kutch.
Kutchi is a language spoken in the Kutch region. It is an Indo-Aryan language with about 1.1 million speakers, mainly in India and also in Pakistan. The Run of Kutch is also very famous for its white salty desert sand.
Kutch is also famous for its Ran Utsav, which is celebrated every year in winter months. It is a carnival of dance, music, natural beauty of white red, where you can experience tent city luxury and much more. Yes, Kutch nahi dekha to kuch nahi dekha.
Oh yes, some of my friends are there on the border of Kutch protecting our country.
It must be so difficult for them to stay there in a hot temperature.
My proud soldiers protect us on the border between Kutch district and Pakistan. We are so proud of you for serving our nation. You are the pride of our country. We can stay peacefully within the country only because of you.
They are going to a marriage and singing of They are going to a marriage and singing a folk song.
ચૂપ બધા સંભાળવા દો આ ગીત મને. Let me go down the memory lanes.
Champak Chacha, what are you thinking about?
I remembered the day when my daughter got married.
What is happening there? What are they telling their daughter?
They are telling their daughter to take care of herself. They are saying her new family is lucky to have her.
It is heartwarming to see families bid farewell like that.
True family values are deeply rooted in our culture. A strong bond within the families is also seen in many of Gujarati families even today. Yes, but Darban and Jitabai, you and your family are also great. You are passing your culture and tradition to the next generations.
It's fascinating to see how language reflects the diversity within a region and the rich culture that is still being preserved. Now let me take you through an emotional journey where a father bids farewell to his married daughter and expresses his love for her.
डोरी
that is really heart touching. It is very hard to bid goodbye to our loved ones. Let it be a daughter who get married or soldier who has to go for a war. That thought has brought me goosebumps. Now let me move forward to know more about Gujarat.
That was full of sentiments. I'm learning so much today. I could not understand the meaning, but I could understand their emotion and connect with them.
Yes, even I could connect to the situation. I can feel my mother's pain. But my Bharat Mata comes first.
Gujarat is not just about the tradition. It's about the warmth of our people, the richness of our culture, and the vibrant tapestry of our festivals.
You have already heard about the run of Kutch. You have also seen the beautiful dances where we enjoy ourselves.
हाँ दाया बहन, तभी तो अमिताभ जी बोलते हैं कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में.
Yes, Kate beta, you would also agree that Gujaratની વાત છે નિરાલી છે.
આ રાત કોની જવાય છે? દયાબેન, આ લોકોને ગરબામાં આજી લઈ જાય.
Yes. Here is a gift for you. There are bangles which we wear. This particular set is worn during marriage.
अरे दया बहन, help her in wearing them.
Beautiful! They are really awesome and has a charming touch. And there, Bobby, my favorite song is Bole Chudiya, Bole Kangana. Dear, that was amazing. And you are looking pretty in those bangles.
Kate, to experience this culture, you should stay with us for some days. We will have fun.
You must stay few days during Navratri celebration to enjoy the festivity. Splendid idea. તમે બધા પણ જોડાઈ જાઓ और આ કાર્યક્રમમાં.
भारत हो या हिंदुस्तान, इसमें बसती है हमारी जान.
But Kate, tell us how was the experience traveling with us through different parts of India and with different people?
I must say this journey has been delightful. Cultural immersion right from Kerala to Gujarat. Oh, what fun! મજા પડી ગઈ. ભારત કેટલો સરસ આઈડિયા છે. Now we understood why every Indian is proud of his country.
तो चलो, हेलो બધા, एक साथ बोलो, भारत माता की जय, अम्बे मात की जय,
अम्बे मात की जय, अम्बे मात की जय.
जयतु भारतम् जयतु जयतु भारतम्
विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदनिया जगा हुआ भारत विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है
विश्व प्रेमेर चादर ढेके সত্যের সুরে গান গাই செந்தமிழ்வானில் புதிய பொன்விடியல் ஆயிரமாலவத்தோடிடுதே
विश्व प्रेमाची ओढून चादर खऱ्या सुरांनी गाता आहे
एक सुनेली आशा लईने सूरज नवो गाडेचे जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये।
Did you enjoy the train journey?
Yes, it was a memorable journey. I enjoyed a lot. What about you?
Yes. Now I request our principal, Mr. Devendra Kumar, to address the gathering.
I would like to begin by thanking all the parents for being so patient. I can understand that we have a paucity of space, and with so many accompaniments for each student, there will be always a tight situation. But thank you for being patient. I would like to congratulate all the participants. They've done a wonderful job. And why we undertake this? Yes, a round of applause for them, please. To all the participants and all the faculty members who've helped groom the children to what they've produced today, I'd like to take the opportunity of thanking Ms. Neeta and the coordinator. We've all put in a lot of work here, and thankfully, what happens is some of this rubs on to our students, and they begin to imbibe certain qualities, especially those which are nation building. And therefore, I think these annual days have a lasting effect on the children. So I think they put up a wonderful performance, and thank you once again for being such a patient audience, and thank you to everyone for organizing this. Well done, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Avyan to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I am pleased to stand before you on behalf of all the students, staff, to convey my gratitude to our guests who deserve special recognition for accepting our invitation and being here with us today. My special gratitude to the principal, Mr. Devendra Kumar, Ms. Neeta Grover, the headmistress for the primary section, and Ms. Ritu Saxena, the coordinator, for their constant support and guidance. I thank our teachers who have put in their consistent efforts, time, and love, and sculpted fine actors in us. This event is a result of weeks and hard work, perseverance put in all by admin staff and RNS service team. I thank the entire admin staff for the tireless efforts. I'd like to thank the art department for this lovely props and backdrops which enhance the beauty of the show. Finally, I'd like to convey my gratitude to all my aspiring rock star friends for their outstanding performance, which had created a long-lasting impression in the heart of the audience. Have a wonderful day ahead. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे
भारत माता की
जय